Today we'll be installing a new solution for the 2018 to 2024 GMC Terrain, the 95-3315B. To start the install, unclip the two silver panels around the air vents. Next, to remove the passenger side dash trim panel around the air vent, first, remove the small panel located on the side of the dash with a pry tool. Then remove the one 7mm screw. Unclip and remove the shift control module face plate cover. Next, remove the 4 T20 Torx screws from the shift control module. Unclip the panel and place to the side. Then, unclip and remove the entire panel across the dash. Remove the 6 9/32 screws from the trim panel around the radio. Then, unclip and unplug the panel and remove. Start the assembly by removing the air vents, the hazard, and the climate controls from the factory kit, and then place them into Metra's sleek design kit. First, snap the vents into the new kit. Then, snap the hazard button in. Next, snap the climate controls in. After assembling, place the new kit into the dash, making sure to make all proper connections. Reassemble the dash in reverse order disassembly to complete the installation. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio, video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.